Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's Story. My name is Howard, and on today's episode of Howard's Story, it's not planned, but we are doing a day in my life because gonna get copyright, dog. Anyways, so guys, we are going on the road wherever the Lord takes us today, right? Right? So I'm gonna get shot.
Bless God.
Alright, bless God, bless God. I sit in the driver's seat today because Alex has to be a man because Howard is not driving today, right?
Yeah.
Right, for the summer Alex is doing most of the driving, right? Right?
I'll drive. You want to drive now?
We're good. Load of us. Anyways, guys, I'll let you guys know what we go on. So, me keep on you guys updated. No, I'm gonna touch him on. Me guarantee I'm gonna touch him on. Wait. Me tell you, she touch your hand though. Who God told her wait for receipt?
Bro,
In a life.
in a drive enough.
From your seat door fly. Let's go. Wait.
She like the way I woo. She let it clap for a nigga.
Yeah, they hate, but they broke though. When it's time to pop, they ain't no show. The loud got me moving slow. Hey, yo, sweetie. Yo, I'll make a thumbnail real quick when you don't do that. Ask you for the face or something. No, go my first. If I thumbnail, you know what? You want to see it clear.
No, don't make this with the tongue. Look disgusting. My chest looks so flat, dog. I'm going to gym next week.
For the full clip, they say I'm for the full clips. And my shooters, they shooting.
Hey.
Get the brief, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low.
Because he's a manly man, we have to come out and look if he can't tire them good. Because some man don't know if he change tire. Not call the name. But some man don't know if he change tire, so we have to come out. Come out and look. Good dog. Watch it. Don't know if he change tire. You can't drive and don't know how to change tire. Alright? Alright?
Remember that plan to open up a shop.
With a foreign man. With a Jamaican man. So guys, with the Murray's and we're not gonna try the jerk chicken. No, jerk chicken. We're not gonna try the jerk rabbit. But it's gonna take 45 minutes and I'm gonna have patience. You see me? Because we're not stay long anyway. So jerk chicken it is. God damn. Bonus. Right, apparently this pepper is really hot. Let's see how much Alex is going to take because Askia just none. Alright, go. Oh, I forgot to say, Melissa, if you're watching the video here, I'm sorry, would you plan to see you? Honestly, would you plan to see you? But you know it go. And we are talk. But I'm making this part of the video just to say I'm sorry. Askia, I want to apologize too because I want to pull the fault. And I apologize. Alex, you see, Alex. You see? So all I was sorry. We're gonna link up. You know that go. And summer, we're live outside. Summer blast like torpedo. Me flow them on so like magneto. So me no watch. Manipulate people by doing good. I'm here for a reason.
Sorry, don't invite me no way.
What the? Attack!
I was in front of Shamar, bro. And
You were. Pull over, though.
you were not even pull over. I was in the left lane, but I was in the man take it right lane. That was it. You never were.
Alright, so finish eating, guys. Music complete. I know you can hear me.
That's the life.
Ask you here one bike and I create excitement. Anyways, I go close to the mic because I'm not sure if you not hear me. Wait, the music in the background, copyright. You know what? We're reaching like car, me chat to them. Someone on a business call. They on a business call, my friend. You feeling more important without?
More. Like whenever I can.
Anyways, guys, so today I never planned. Honestly, I did plan to do a video for Why Not Wednesdays. However, the man name say yo, goddamn, the man name say yo, road plus me and Alex have a little business meeting for do. So just come down on Maurice and get something to eat and just chill, I guess. So thanks for forwarding along the way with you guys. As I say, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that we're what? Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Also, we did apologize for Melissa earlier. Because we supposed to see her. I want to know some Melissa don't live here, so Melissa live far. We're supposed to see her today and we have to cancel. Sorry, Mel. I'm gonna make it up to you, I swear. What else? Oh yeah, leave in the comments and let me know some of content, so some more stuff you want to see. At this point, like school now go on and I try get some outside content in, just I try do something. So if we don't have nowhere we don't want to go, if we don't have no type of vibe we don't want to see, I know I'm supposed to go on the river soon, I know I'm supposed to go on the beach soon. Just some little thing where I come and yeah, the video ain't not long, but basically want showing this yo, we outside. You see what I'm saying? So I don't know if I'm closing the video now, but for now. Hey guys, if you're seeing this right now, do me a favor, please. 1, subscribe to my channel. 2, watch and like my videos. Big up on yourself.
Her favorite color is red.
Are you nervous? Maria, let's say you're nervous now.
Yeah, I really hear.
Let's say you're nervous. You know what I'm saying? We pay for your upgraded suit, you know. Too easy to switch dog. Pull back on the trigger. Stop them, start the war, we construct them. Roll deep on the dog, roll deep. Full of killer, me, roll deep. Story time, brought to you by us.
We'd have a 1B, isn't me?
I hear a session, so talk to them.
We'd have a 1B, is it?
Confession, bombard! Confession session. There we go.
Just send me our password to our Instagram. And only if you say yo.
Like, damn, baby, woke me up. I love the way you put it down like this for both of us. Ski. That's skinny.
Y'all better go subscribe to my boy's YouTube channel. What are you waiting on? Like, what you waiting on, bro? This? Go subscribe. No. I'm mine too. Wait and put my subscription down below, please. Thank you. Bye.
Tell a friend to tell a friend that your friend's friend Howard said to tell a friend.
The one here. Hey. Alright? Me alright. Wake up in yourself, you see?